Morning guys, welcome back. We are today at Virginia Pier and said let's try something different. Hopefully we get some action in the pier. I spoke to some guys that came off the pier just now and they said things are quiet. So, well, we got some cracker bait. Let's see if that works here, so we're gonna try. Hopefully we get something. So yeah, we'll sail on the pier just soon. Morning. How are you, Uncle? Okay, man. How's things? Well? Any luck?
No, man. I'm flying now.
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh, you came now as well?
My son's seeing you from there, so I'm peeking this.
Oh, okay. How are you? What's your name? Brayden. You never catch any?
It's going now.
Oh, you're gonna catch one fast.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And see, I got some cracker. Let's see if anything works.
Yeah, I think it'll be good. Yeah.
How's it? So it's a bit windy, but yeah, everybody's got some bait out. Let's see if anyone comes up with anything. Well, we're fishing for the last half an hour. The only fish that came out, check it out. What's this? Hey, this is a small wave, tiny wave, Garrick, man.
Yeah,
Oh. Caught by? What's the name again? Brayden. But anyway, it's a start. It's a start. There is some hope. Let's see if we get any more coming our way. Things are very, very quiet here and getting very windy. But let's see, we're still gonna try. one more further road before we go. Guys, this was caught earlier before you come. Check the size for the wave getting guys. It's massive. Well done, you guys. So guys, that's it for us at Virginia. Getting too windy. The water is actually coming in now, but it's getting too windy. And it's lunchtime. We're not even hungry. We're getting something to chop. Wasn't a bad session. It was quieter than normal. I picked up Stumpy, some wave garricks came out. A little bit of fun. So yeah, hopefully, I think we're going to hit a night trip here soon. Hopefully that's a better one. But yeah guys, thanks man. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and all your comments. Thank you guys. I'll see you soon in the next episode. So someone decided they want KFC. Sorry. Okay?
Tell us how hungry you are.
We're going to enjoy our KFC. Huh?
How hungry were you? How hungry were you? Very.
So we ended up back into the harbour just to finish it off. I actually didn't want to video the whole harbour because honestly the harbour was in a mess, and you could just see the people there was there the night before, and it wasn't cool. It was to video everything and show all that. Sorry, I didn't feel like doing that. So yeah, we just finished off the bait and finished off our day at the harbour. We did get a couple of fish, which was cool, and yeah, we shall see you all in the next episode, guys.